Hi everyone, today I will show you how to fix Twitter links not working problem. Before moving on to the video, you can support me by liking the video and deliver this video to people who are looking for this video like you. Let's start. Our first solution is to clear Twitter's cache files. To do this, we go to Settings. Then we click on Apps and then we enter Manage Apps. We type Twitter in the search bar. After doing this, we enter Storage. Click on Clear Data, click on Clear Cache and press OK to confirm. We cleared Twitter's cache files. Now you can go to Twitter and check if the problem is solved or not. If the problem is not solved, we will move on to our second solution. Our second solution is to clone Twitter. To do this, we go to Settings. Then click on Apps. Then we enter Dual Apps. We find Twitter among our applications and click it. Then we click Turn On. If your device does not have a cloning feature, you can download an application that provides this service from the Play Store or App Store and clone Twitter through that application. We cloned Twitter. Now you can open Twitter and check if the problem is solved or not. If the problem is not solved, we will move on to our third solution. Our third solution is to turn on the Use in App Browser feature. To do this, after opening Twitter, we click on Settings and Privacy. Then we click on Accessibility, Display and Languages. After doing this, we click on Display. We toggle on the Use in App Browser feature. After following these steps, we will not need to leave Twitter while the links we click are opened. If your problem is not solved after this solution, we have one last solution. Our fourth and final solution is to download the old version of Twitter. The reason we do this is because the problem we are experiencing may be due to the last update to Twitter. We will try to solve this problem by downloading the old version of Twitter. Before downloading the old version, we delete the current Twitter on our device. We deleted the current Twitter. Now we can download the old version. I left the Twitter old version download link in the description section. You can reach the site from there. After entering the site, click Download. If you have never downloaded APK files before, you may have problems here. For those who have problems, I left the solution video in the cards section. They can watch the video from there. Click on Download and start the download process. The download is complete. Now we can start the installation of Twitter. Twitter installation is complete. Now you can enter Twitter and check if the problem is solved or not. We have come to the end of the video. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care, and see you in the next video.